Hello friends, today we are looking at the Boat Rugby Bluetooth speaker. Okay, let's unbox it. You can experience the sonic audio clarity in a wireless speaker with this Boat Rugby speaker. The speaker is equipped with the state-of-art Boat technology. The speaker can be amplify power up to 10 watts, which is 2 into 5 watts, for a louder sound experience. You can listen up to 8 hours of playback time on the lithium-ion polymer rechargeable battery that has a capacity of 1800 mAh. This speaker can be charged through the use of supplied micro USB cable. This speaker comes in two color variant, which is blue and the other one is black. In the front side we can see the power button, volume down button, player pause button and the volume up button. And here we can see the Boat logo. It also has a built-in microphone for hand-free calling. You can see the USB port and the audio port here. In the side we can see the strap. Okay, let's power it up.
Ready. Discovering.
It is a wireless Bluetooth speaker and the Bluetooth version is V4.2 plus CDR.
Pairing successful.
And it has a 10-meter Bluetooth range.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off.
The things I don't like about this speaker is, first one is the design, and the second one is some of the parts are made up of rubber. Coming to the battery, it has a 1800 mAh battery, which has a playtime of 8 hours and a charging time of 2.5 hours. It is a stereo type speaker with IPS5 rating. It is a full range driver and has 45 mm driver size. And it also has two drivers. There is two speakers inside it. Each of them have 5 watts. So totally it is a 10 watt speaker. I have given the links to buy this product in the description. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe and share this video.